you need to audit yourself. You need to look at yourself from the standpoint of, are you doing this every day? Are you thinking about it every day? Have you gotten off track? Have you gotten off course? Have you not looked at your goals in 6 months or 6 years? Have you not gone through this process? I mean, we're halfway through the year, so do it now. Do it today. Don't wait until the end of the year to set your goals again, but do your financial goals, your personal goals, and all of those different aspects of your life. Audit yourself and really hold yourself accountable and say, yeah, you know what? I haven't been focusing on my goals. My mindset has been shifted. I have been more negative. I'm not going after the things that I wanted to go after. That's where you just have to look at it and be real with yourself and audit. I could tell you that there are plenty of times where I have not looked at my goals and not done it every single day. And I could tell it by my actions at work. And I could tell it by my mindset. Like, I don't have motivation to do that. Why don't you have motivation to do that? I've lost my bigger picture. What am I trying to go after? I'm trying to build my business to be $100 million a year, or I'm trying to get that 6-pack, or I'm trying to lose 40 pounds, or I'm trying to find myself a spouse that aligns with me and that I want to marry and have kids with. Whatever it is, if you lose focus on that goal, then your mindset is going to go to the place of like, that's not achievable, it's negative, and you need to kick that negativity right out of your brain.